strong advice from experts on affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very exciting business venture that anyone can enter into for their business. However, for a beginner, using a good affiliate program can be a tad bit tricky. So what should a novice do to learn how to use affiliate marketing? Well, read the tips in this article to start with. While using affiliate marketing, remember that you want internet users to trust in you. If you use an ad for a product or company that you don't have faith in, your customers will not have faith in it, or you, either. Too many ads, or ads that are not relevant to your content, will seem suspicious, and visitors will end up not trusting what you have to say. An efficient blog or website is going to create far more affiliate traffic than almost anything else you can do. Be sure that your site is always streamlined and easy to use. A complicated site stuffed with junk content is going to immediately turn traffic away. So, make sure the site is clean and easy to navigate. Focus on high-margin items if your targeted audience can afford it. Promoting a high-value item and a 99-cent book both take the same amount of time and effort. If you are going through all the work anyway, focus on something that can make you some real money. The other benefit is that you need less sell-throughs to make the same amount of money. Affiliate marketing can be an extremely lucrative industry, and a big key to maximizing your chances of financial success is to know your target audience. Customize your affiliate ads to best fit your market's demographics. Do lots of mothers visit your site regularly? Then put up ads for diapers or children's books or other things that will be of most interest to this demographic. The most successful affiliate marketers never drop a naked link to an affiliate product into a loosely related web page. Savvy webmasters use focused content to lead to affiliate product links. Reviews, fact sheets, and the gentlest of sales pitches are good ways to lead website visitors to an affiliate link and get them in a receptive frame of mind. To market your business in a personal way, take advantage of streaming video. Sites like YouTube will host a video for you at no cost. Being able to see you talk about your products will draw customers to your site and let them feel like they know you. Because YouTube has a high page ranking, this is also an excellent way to get more search engine traffic. Without real-time data, you can't learn soon enough which links or ads are productive. Make sure that any affiliate program you consider offers a secure website with 24-hour access to real-time statistics. This data will show which different recommendations, strategies, text links and banners are working and which aren't. This matters even more if you do online advertising with programs such as Google AdWords, as this information may stop or prevent you from wasting money. Be sure to go to a site like Amazon.com and view items there that may be similar to the product that you are trying to sell. You can leave comments and include your own URL in your comments. That may be a way for you to take some business away from your competition. Instead of jumping in with hundreds of affiliates, start your website with a small number. Try to stay with 1 to 3 affiliates to start. Starting smaller will make it easier for you to manage your time and keep better records of your sales and your clicks. When you are building an affiliate marketing campaign, make sure to avoid parasite scams on the web. These applications, which are often disguised as browser help objects, take visitors from your page and direct them to another website. If a parasite takes over your page, you will earn less. Use contests as a way to sign up subscribers to your email newsletters. One of the most difficult things these days is getting people to willingly provide an email address. By providing an incentive for signing up, you can increase your odds of getting new eyes on your email campaigns. A great way to improve the visibility of your affiliates' products is to create a review section in your site. This provides even more advertisements, without bombarding your page with ads for people to click. This is a great way to get your readers interested in the products that you are advertising. Do not underestimate the power of the blog with your affiliate marketing campaigns. You can make good money selling the products that are discussed within the blog. Talking about a new product or service and then having your affiliate link in a predominant place can be just the thing needed to generate new sales. Keep a vision board above your monitor to remind you of the goals you've set for yourself as a result of starting your affiliate marketing company. For example, my board has photos of a beautiful kitchen renovation, Niagara Falls, my favorite restaurant, and a new washer and dryer. Include pictures cut out of magazines and flyers to show what your dreams are. This is a great motivator. Affiliate marketing has its ups and downs, therefore, it is imperative that you keep up with the latest business trends. Keeping up with the latest business trends will put you one step ahead of your competition. Failure to do so will result in you wondering why nobody is purchasing what you're marketing. Write your affiliate marketing articles fast. Don't get caught up in overthinking the information. Use an interesting title, provide an action plan in each article that tells the reader why they need your product, and watch your sales increase. Keep a notebook with you at all times, and every time you think of another benefit, jot it down and put it into an article when you get home. Now you should be able to see why affiliate marketing can be such an exciting business venture. There is so much work and promotion you can do to help your online business get more traffic, customers, and sales. With these tips in mind, you can start marketing like a real pro.